So here I was cycling and I just came down to Decathlon here. Now it's closed because it's morning. Actually Decathlon is the place from where I bought my cycle. This one, this between Tilt 120, which I'm riding now. This is a folding cycle basically, and it's really very smooth on roads. Basically it's really very smooth on roads. So I think anyone who is looking for a folding cycle must go for it, because it's typically made for roads. Basically it is not an off-roading cycle. You can't ride this cycle in an off-roading condition because that will be very much tough for you. Then and there is a tire called Between All Terrain. With that tire you can try a bit of off-roading, but I don't actually prefer off-roading with this bike because it's more of an on-roader than an off-roader. So you can't do off-roading stunts with it, but you can try and carry out this cycle to any places you want basically. Now I'm crossing the road. Now I'll knock off. So that's it. So actually I will prefer this cycle more for traveling, because I travel a lot. I travel to different places by flight or by train. You can carry this cycle in your luggage easily with you, because it is completely a folding one. I have already posted a video about its folding features, and I will show you something that how this cycle gets folded completely into a complete miniature one. And sometimes people actually in the roads, when I cycle, when I come out with the cycle, actually they ask me what is the price of this, where from you have got the cycle. In Kolkata they ask in Bangla যে কোথা থেকে এই সাইকেলটা কিনেছো, কিরম করে, কোথা থেকে কিনলে, কত টাকা নিল. So many people ask actually, especially when I actually move out in the main cities, main Kolkata. People have a lot of curiosity over this cycle that is Decathlon Between Tilt 120, because it's a small one. Basically it has got a 20-inch tire, and that makes it look out from the crowd basically. So I'm enjoying this cycle. I'm enjoying it well, but initially there were problems with this cycle, so I had to come to Decathlon 5 to 6 times for the services initially, in initial days, when it was about 1 to 2 days or 3 days maybe. First 3 to 4 days I had to come to Decathlon every day for this cycle service, because this cycle had a lot of problems. There were problems with brakes, and the seat was actually loosening up a bit. So there were problems, but after all problems got solved, this cycle is as smooth as ever, and I am enjoying it well basically. So anyone who is looking for a folding bike, anyone who is looking for a portable cycle which they can carry in train or buses or in their cars or in anything, any transport they can carry, so you can go for this cycle basically. It's your handy thing with you, which you can take anywhere else, anywhere. And that's it for today. Do subscribe my channel, and I will come up with new videos of this cycle, and I'll come up with new adventure videos of this cycle. I'm soon looking forward to try out this cycle in off-roading condition too, but I have not actually settled my thought on it. Let's see what happens. Till then, bye bye. Do like this video if you like it. Thank you.